Hello and welcome. This video is an introduction to Cost Breakdown Structure, CBS, in Easy Redmine. Go to the WBS module on your project. Click on the Budget button. This function allows you to see and manage profits, incomes, and all costs of your projects, both plan and reality. The idea is to break down the budget of the project, sub-projects, and tasks. New income or expense can be created easily, right from the mind map view. You can print your WBS with all financial data. For quick visual insight, you can also use Legend that highlights positive, negative, and neutral balance of your budgets. This is a great feature for project planning and ongoing finance monitoring. Okay, that's it. If you like to, you can learn more about Cost Breakdown Structure, CBS, in Easy Redmine in Knowledge Base on our website. Thank you for watching and good luck with your projects.